learn the language, you know, because we have more people in this country that does not speak English, which is the common language of the United States. But we are built on different nationalities coming into this country. So yes, we have multiple languages that we have to associate with. That's what the country's built on. Immigration. The country's totally built on immigration. Yet now, with President Trump in office, now your citizenship can be bought for $5 million. It's not an American dream anymore. It's an American horror movie where the rich are just getting richer and the middle class is getting sucked into the fucking poverty level. You know? I just love the way this world is going. Never used to be into politics. I used to just watch it go on, you know. The Democrats would have their part, then the Republicans would have their part. They used to actually fight for the people. That no longer happens. Now they just fight for the fucking rich. Every politician, whether Democrat, Republican, or independent, they all lied to get into their office. And especially now, you know, ever since Reagan and his trickle-down policies, just totally disgusting, because I'm still waiting for it to trickle down. That was over 50 years ago. I'm still waiting for it to trickle down.